there, Markerbergs, Vlog3 here, and let's continue what's in my bag, and this is part 2. Okay? Enjoy. Again, this is from Spain, Valencia. Yeah, wait. I don't know what. Okay, yeah, there you go. Valencia. This was given to me by my bro, Sammy and Joanna. So it was cute. It's cute, I mean. Yeah. Love it. Roma. I bought this myself when me and Rose went to Italy to visit, and Roma is the first city, and Italy is the first country that we have, well, I have visited in Europe, apart from Malta, of course, where I work. And I'm really proud of it. Italia, Roma. It was a quick vacation as well, but it was fun. It was really fun. I wouldn't forget it. And I couldn't believe that it's already been more than a year. Lanzarote, of course. And again, this was given to me by Sammy, my bro, where he lives. And I remember as well how many times he invited me to go to Lanzarote, and I always say yes, I will see, but then nothing. Sorry, bro. Peace. Again, keychain from Paris. I bought it myself. I know it's simple, but at least it came from Paris. Yeah. This one. Yeah, this was given to me by Sabrina again. She knows that I'm Scorpio, so she bought this for me as like a charm. I'm not putting it like a keychain in my bag or somewhere because it's ceramic, so I don't want to break it. Yeah. And I want to keep it. Haha. I remember my first time in Sicily. Yeah, it was me, Sammy, Joanna, and Selena, and Stefan. So I bought this for myself. It's so cute, so colorful, you know? Yeah, it was fun. It was quick, but we have been to beautiful places in Sicily. And if I will be given a chance to go back, I will. And I will go back to Etnaland and try all the rides again. Okay. This was from Mons. What? Yeah. I don't know, but I have a photo with this monkey. There's actually a place in a square, I guess, in Mons, where you have to touch or
phenomenal cosmic power.
Touch the head while doing a wish. And I don't know why, but they told me that you just need to wish. I don't know. But this came from Netherlands, Holland. Yeah. And this was actually my very first time in Netherlands, because I went to, when my first time in Belgium, I have a friend in Liège who brought me there in the next city next to Liège, because it's almost at the border for a drive of 20 to 25 minutes, you know, and you'll get to the first city after the border to Netherlands. And it was in Maastricht. So shout out to Val and Rencito, who helped me to visit and helped me enjoy my vacation. Again, Paris. Woohoo! So this one has a really good story, because I went to Belgium again, of course. I've been a few times in Belgium. So it was, I guess, New Year, yeah, and we were about to eat a pie after New Year. So they had this kind of tradition. So there's a pie, and they distributed to each one of us. And there's like 6 or 7 small plates, and there's one plastic plate. And the thing is, like, I took one of the fancy plate, which are all the same. And Remy took it from me, and he gave me the one with the plastic plate. I was like, I feel awkward, because I was thinking that it could be like a family tradition that they all have the same, and me, as not part of their family, should have this plate. But then, little did I know that this thing is inside my pie. What? So whoever gets this one will be the king for the whole year. And I got this. And they all planned it. And yeah, they gave me the crown and everything. And yeah, it was cool, because I almost chew and swallowed it. It was cute. That's why I brought it with me. Aww. Next item, let's see. It's again from Sicily, given to me by Serena, and this was given to me by John. Shout out, John. Thank you for this. Okay. This is from Waterloo. Waterloo is a city, I guess, which has a lot of history. But of course, I don't want to say the history, because it will be a long story. But to make it short, I mean, with the explanation of this one, Titi bought it for me as well. It's a lion, and in Waterloo there's a part where there's a huge hill, huge mountain that you need to, go the stairs, and on top you will see the lion. I forget what it represents though. Oh no! Okay, just look for it. Okay. So after that, this was given to me by my best friend, bestie, Dylan. So before my first visit in Belgium, that was my flight on that day, and he surprised me with these chocolates and this thing. Aww. So cute. And yeah, I kept it because he knows I really like Belgium. I'm studying French because of that. It's cute. Yeah. This was given to me by Sabrina together with Mr. Snowman. And lastly, this was given to me by Lindsay Lohan, as what Rose called her. She's a student in Victoria Hotel who got close with us, and this was a bit of a surprise because I didn't expect that she was going to give me this. Inside, it's like a shoes, a very popular item in Netherlands. Yeah, shoes. If you see these kind of shoes, it's from Netherlands. It's like a symbol for them, I don't know. And there's a message and everything. I really like it. And you know what? When people have a really good impact from you, these are the expected things that that will going to happen, you know. And it's cool. I like it. There are message I want to say to you. It's cute, so I kept it, and I didn't throw away the cartoon or whatever it is, because I want to keep it. And Lindsay, see, it's from you, and I kept it. So at least you've seen it. So guys, those are all the items which are inside my bag, and I hope that you like it. And I hope that it will fill my bag as well. So there are more to go, and I'm going to visit some more places as well if God will let me, of course. And I hope this coronavirus will going to finish soon, so we can do whatever we want again and go back to the real normal, and just stay safe, guys. Okay, so before I end this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave your comment below if you have some suggestions, just let me know. And I'm sorry for my English, because I'm really trying to talk in English, since I don't want, it will take time to put a subtitle for my English friends who speaks English. So I want them to understand as well what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so I really hope you understand. So see you guys soon, and for more videos, please like, subscribe, and leave your comment below. I love you. Bye.